Today I want to show you the 400 times risk coffees. One of the entertainer in Korean TV show, he went to Macau and he tried it, like we call it Dalgona coffee. So like basically they stir 400 times. Pretty sure if you're gonna follow this coffee, your life will be something special. And just try. You can use any instant coffee just like that, and sugar and water. But I'm gonna make such a big portion, so I will use 2 big tablespoons. Same amount, 2 big tablespoons. You can use cold water as well, but I recommend you hot water. I think it's more easy. And then 1, 2. So I'm gonna mix just like that until it's aerated. Or you can use that whisk. If you don't have this one, it's fine. I'm gonna use it with a spoon. Feel really higher. Change it again. Think about this thing right here. Can you lighter? One tablespoon of the cream. And then pour water. So this is the coffee. Ta-da! Pour the ice. Pour the milk. And then coffee. And then mix. The black coffee. So once like when you're waiting like 5 minutes, all the foaming is going to be on the top. Just when you make it, just drink immediately. It's way more foamy and cold cappuccino. It's really nice. It's good to try. And this is some milk coffee. And this is actually nice as well. Just trust me, this is absolutely nice. This is one of the best coffee I ever made it myself. Just try, and then if it tastes good, leave the comment and share your experience to others. Thank you guys. Sampai jumpa.